Alright folks, welcome back for another edition of Show Me Your Cars. Boy, I got a really exciting one for you today. We're going to walk around. We're at the Easter Car Show in St. Charles at the Family Arena, and we're gonna walk around. I want you to come with me and see what we can find. Very cool. Oh, look at that. $427. 450 horsepower. Very neat. Okay folks, I talked to the owner on this car, and it is a real Yenko car. Very neat. Yep, you don't see any of these for sure, being a real Yenko Camaro. Alright folks, well if you enjoyed that video, click right up here on the left at the logo and you can subscribe there. It's free to do. Then right over here on this side is the last video I just did. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. Appreciate it.